The eye is a complex organ responsible for vision. It is specialized for capturing light, converting it into neural signals, and transmitting these signals to the brain. The outer layer includes the cornea, which is a transparent, dome-shaped tissue at the front of the eye that focuses light onto the retina, and the sclera, which is the white, tough outer layer that maintains the shape of the eye and provides protection. The middle layer consists of the choroid, a vascular layer that supplies nutrients and oxygen to the retina, the ciliary body, which contains muscles that adjust the shape of the lens for focusing and secretes aqueous humor, the iris, the colored part of the eye that controls the size of the pupil to regulate the amount of light entering the eye, and the pupil, the central opening of the iris that lets light into the eye. The inner layer includes the retina, which is the light-sensitive layer containing photoreceptor cells, rods for low light and cones for color vision. The lens is a flexible, transparent structure that focuses light onto the retina. The vitreous humor is the clear, gel-like substance filling the space between the lens and the retina, maintaining the eye's shape. The optic nerve transmits visual information from the retina to the brain. Light enters through the cornea and passes through the pupil, regulated by the iris. The lens further refracts the light to focus it on the retina. The retina contains two types of photoreceptor cells, rods, which are sensitive to dim light and responsible for peripheral and night vision, and cones, which detect color and provide sharp central vision. Photoreceptors convert light into electrical signals through a process involving photopigments like rhodopsin in rods and iodopsin in cones. Retinal neurons, including bipolar cells and ganglion cells, process and integrate the signals. Ganglion cells send signals through their axons, forming the optic nerve. The optic nerve transmits signals to the visual cortex in the occipital lobe of the brain, where they are interpreted as images. Supporting structures include eyelids and eyelashes, which protect the eye from debris and excessive light, lacrimal glands, which produce tears to keep the eye moist and free of irritants, and extraocular muscles, which control eye movement. Would you like a focus on any specific part? Please like and subscribe my channel.